this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of Otter.ai application. If you want to log out or sign out of your Otter.ai app, then here's how you can do it. Launch open your Otter.ai application, and if you're logged in, you'll be able to see this interface. Tap the menu bar at the top left. Tap on your email address drop-down at the top. This will open up the settings page. Scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. And with just a click of a button, you'll be logged out of your Otter.ai application. To log in again, you can use one of these options displayed on the screen. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Otter.ai application in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from 2-Minute Tutorial. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.